important thing in our life. This is a fundamental right. Today school ki vastunnappudu books lekunda vastara raru kada. So that's also same thing. If anybody going outside, you have to wear the helmet. Without helmet, you will not drive on the road. I'll show you, I'll give you some examples. The latest 3 days back, what happened? He was just crossing the road, but he doesn't have a helmet on. So what happened? He fell down on the road. On the spot only, he died. So that is a more important thing you have to keep in mind. One more thing, if any accident happen, what you are doing? Accident మీరు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? What are you doing? Just going outside. Simply వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు కదా, అవునా? So don't do that one. You call 108. Call 108 and ask the call 108 is a service provided to prevent the accident. If fatal accident happens, they will carry the person to the hospital. So please, whatever you are going on the road, if you see the accident, stop the vehicle and call 108 from there. Nobody is going to. Previously it was a evidence before, it was not here now. ఇప్పుడు లేదు. ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే జస్ట్ కాల్ 0108 and you can go. Just give the direction, everything to the 108. They will come.